Big news today out of Hebron, Kentucky. Our friends at Anderson Manufacturing are undergoing a rebrand. Check out the new Anderson logo. Several things about this I like. I definitely like that they kept the pony. I like the kind of arched Anderson. It definitely looks like it's playing into some whiskey Kentucky vibes there. Very cool. I like that very much. So today, hot news off the press, Anderson Manufacturing, great guys over at Anderson. I've hung out with several of them over the last couple of years. I even took Kyle. He got to come out to my property and do some hog hunting. Really excited about this. I kind of knew some of this was coming. I hung out with Kyle. We got to hang out for several hours, had dinner together in a deer blind, looking for hogs, and got to hear a little bit about this. So excited to see this today. So at the NASGW show today and through the weekend, October 15 through 18, marketing director Jennifer Tuttle is announcing the new logo. So this will be rolling out soon over the next little bit. It doesn't say when we will have Anderson roll stamps with the new logo, but it should be pretty soon. I am hoping to get one in and we'll do a nice little build on it. Many of you may not know, but my very first AR-15 that I ever built was an Anderson Manufacturing. I would give twice what it's worth to have that gun back. I should not have sold that. That was one of the handful of guns I regret selling. Anyway, Jennifer Tuttle is offering some more information about this rebranding. There isn't a new product in this launch, it's really just a rebranding. And they wanted to highlight some of the Kentucky pride and the bourbon trail. Oh, I was right on the bourbon. A big bourbon fan, so I kind of caught that vibe that they were going for. And the word manufacturing is in orange down there, emphasizing the pride of being an American manufacturer. So she goes on to say here, as with most decisions to rebrand, the Anderson look and feel needed to be updated to reflect the quality and the product lines, but also to stay in touch with the family heritage. The brand refresh will gradually be rolled out, including updated roll marks on lower receivers, engravings across the entire product line. And if you're attending the show, you'll be able to see it there, which is pretty cool. Anderson's social media and website will showcase the refresh. It looks like pretty much immediately. So 70 years of history here with Anderson Manufacturing. You guys know that I'm a big fan. I also don't like / do like the whole poverty pony thing. I find it annoying because brand snobs are out there trying to make people feel like they have an inferior product when we have established through several videos in a series where we looked at what is the difference in different lower receivers. And a lower receiver is a lower receiver, and only a handful of companies, Anderson being one of them, actually even make lower receivers. Most of the lower receivers that are out there are made by Anderson or a couple of other companies. So even those snobby people with their, I won't say any brands, but those guys are probably rocking an Anderson and they don't even know it. Leaning into that is the Poverty Pony sticker. I don't know when or where these will be available. They'll probably have some at the shows that you can hand them out. I bet they'll be handing them out at SHOT Show. I don't know if you can buy them. I don't know if they're going to be for sale. They could be coming in a new product. Eagle Run 23 is the code if you would like to grab something there. And then I really like this one. Man, that's beautiful. That looks like it goes on a bottle of whiskey. I love it with the crown and just that really old school bourbon looking logo. I think that's pretty cool. So really happy for Anderson. My latest Anderson build was the 338 Spectre with that really cool elite receiver set. We got it Cerakoted because it comes only in the raw, so it's pretty much just for us builders. But we also built a 8.6 blackout in Anderson, all Anderson handguard, upper, lower, Anderson parts kit, Anderson buffer tubes. We did the full build for an Anderson 8.6 blackout. And interestingly enough, those are two calibers that Anderson doesn't offer, 338 Spectre and 8.6 blackout, but we did them up with all of their parts and just swapped in a different barrel. Happy for Anderson and their new look. I think that's pretty cool. I like the orange at the bottom. I think they did a pretty good job with the rebrand. So head on over there, check those guys out. EagleRun23.com has a blog post where you can find out all sorts of information. I'll have it pinned down below. It can take you there and show you some of the stuff that we've built on the channel. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.